What if you could learn from the data to detect various IaC quality issues such as errors, smells, antipatterns, bugs in IaC artifacts based on TOSCA and Ansible? The FindIaCBug technology is a SODALITE stack addressing the problem of building IaC artifacts of great quality that is lacking automation with a rich toolset that helps them confirm the quality of their code interactively. It allows the user to develop high-quality, detect-free, error-free IaC code based on AI. With this innovation approach, we help DevOps experts find and fix the syntactical, structural, and semantic errors of IaC artifacts prior to deploying and executing them. The progressive detection of linguistic antipatterns and misconfigurations in IaC is data-driven, enabling AI. It is a bug sufficiently complete in respect to taxonomies of IaC best and bad practices, smells, and bugs. It can verify IaC codes for errors, can find smells, and can find linguistic antipatterns. And all of this is scalable, supporting more verification cases, detecting more smells and misconfiguration errors, and recommending fixes for some detected smells. To see the FindIaCBug in action, we detect TOSCA smells through the SODALITE IDE. When the model has been saved in the knowledge base, that knowledge base sends the model back to the smell detector and retrieves all the issues detected by this component, combining them with all the issues that can be detected by the knowledge base itself when checking the semantic validity of the model. Then is returning back all this information to the IDE, which exposes all those issues to the user at the point that they applied for. We see this when all of this info is stored and sent back to the IDE. The system notifies the user that the model has been saved, and we can see in yellow a number of issues that are associated with different points within the model. The first issue is one of those smells that has been identified by the smell detector associated with the binding. And the next one is associated with the username. And the third one associated with the MySQL because of its out of range. You can know more about SODALITE's FindIaCBug from the tutorials and demos in our YouTube channel. The exploitation of the full stack of SODALITE solution finds opportunity in easing the work of DevOps experts, but also the data scientists that lack the expertise but require the infrastructure and application optimization. In the past 3 years, we have been building realistic business plans, building on 5 well-defined key exploitable results based on the appropriate IPR management and on an overall market assessment and the individual and joint exploitation plans reported by the consortium partners and IP owners. We consider a business offer with 3 tiers, 2 of which are already available in the end of the project for on-premise installation supported by a testbed trial, and 1 other in preparation beyond the lifetime of the project. The core differentiation between licenses will be based on the limited features and deployments and the static dynamic application optimization capabilities. Our early adopters are well positioned in impactful areas, connected cars, in silico clinical trials, and environmental efficiency. SODALITE is helping them in improving infrastructure to enable better deep learning, preserving privacy in fleets of vehicles, or allowing for the virtualization of healthcare. While in environmental efficiency scenario, FindIaCBug saves time and costs in creating a durable repository of the best DevOps practices, matured in time across multiple services. It avoids bugs that can misconfigure application components or resource provisioning in clinical trials, and allows deployments to be incrementally revised to remain within compliance in IoT automotive. The resourceful team that was built in the lifetime of the project and the existing expertise and potential within the partners is key to the exploitation potential of the QERs. Our advisories point out the potential of the innovation of SODALITE and the excellence of the achieved results. Get to know more about SODALITE through the results published on the Horizon Results platform, the online news made available by HPC Wire and iPeak, and the many inspiring events that we are taking part of, and of course, our newsletter, blog, product page, and social media. Thank you for your attention.